today I'm going to show you how to do a really cute style on short fine hair. Let's get going. Start off by kind of like just roughly curling your hair. I've just done a really quick like straightener curl, a little bit of dry shampoo, a little bit of texture spray. So what you're going to do is just kind of part the hair, a little bit of a deep part. So this is the chunk of hair that we're working with. So I'm going to do a little Dutch braid here. So I'm just going to take a small section of hair and I'm going to break it into 3. So once you've started your braid, you're only going to be adding in from the side that's closest to the face. So little tiny sections, adding into this strand here. The rest of the braid is like an ordinary Dutch braid, but you're just not adding in from this top side. So before I go any further, I'm just going to kind of tease out this braid a little bit. So remember, you're bringing it down this way, adding in those little strands. Can you see how I'm keeping it fairly loose to the head? I don't want this braid to feel super tight. Teasing out as you go. Down we come. And then I don't want this braid kind of tucked behind the ear. I almost want to have some hair coming forward still on this side. So I'll probably do another strand here, but kind of leave this bit around the ear and bring this hair here kind of forward like that. And then we're just going to braid down a little way and get some hair grips. And then I'm just going to take some hair grips and just pin that into place. So I kind of want this bit to sit forwards like that. I can also just lift up this back bit a little bit. Get a little comb. Just do a little bit of fluff in there. Maybe just a little bit under here. So this is the finished look. It's kind of messy. You haven't tried too hard. You could definitely kind of like neaten it up if you wanted to, but I kind of like that kind of little bit of fuzzy hair going on there. You can add a bit more volume if you want to, but that is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.